Hello guys, welcome to the Altruist IELTS. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 15 and you can check the previous episodes on our channel. In the last episode, we have covered 3 words. The first word was wise. It is a countable noun, and a vice is a habit which is regarded as weakness in someone's character, but not usually as a serious fault. The second word was prey. It is an uncountable noun, and a creature's prey are the creatures that it hunts and eats in order to live. The third word was obligation. It is a variable noun, and if you have an obligation to do something, it is your duty to do that thing. Now, before moving to our today's words, I want to announce that if you want your essays or letters to be checked or evaluated by a professional, you can join our Facebook group and the link is in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Our today's word is surveillance. The R is silent and it is pronounced as surveillance. It is an uncountable noun, and the surveillance is the careful watching of someone, especially by an organization such as the police or the army. Let's go for the synonyms: observation, scrutiny, watch, supervision. The example could be: he was arrested after being kept under constant surveillance. That means he was under observation and after that he was arrested. Let's go for the collocations: keep under surveillance, constant surveillance, under surveillance. Let's go for the grammar part. The adjective and noun form is surveillant. Let's move to our second word, collision. It is a variable noun, and a collision occurs when a moving object crashes into something. You have heard this word many times during chemistry, like the collision of the particle, something like that. Let's go for the synonyms: crash and accident. The example could be: I saw a head-on collision between 2 aeroplanes. Let's go for the collocations: collision with something, collision course, collision between something, head collision, on collision. And the grammar part, the adjective is collisional. Let's move to our third word, infringement. It is a variable noun, and an infringement is an action or situation that interferes with your rights and the freedom you are entitled to. Let's go for the synonyms: breach, violation. The example could be: they see it as an infringement on their own freedom of action. The collocation is infringement of a rule. Let's go for the grammar part. The plural is infringements. In the next video, we will cover the word rehabilitation, evasion, introspection, and many more. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description box. It is worth it. So guys, check it, and thank you so much.